Rendering and Renovation Business, Beverley, South Australia. Master Systems SA has over $40,000 worth of work locked in to start, and many other projects to be confirmed. Launched 46 years ago, the business has become a well-known company, hiring up to 21 subcontractors on large projects. Starting as a decorative ceiling and wall service, the business grew to include exterior wall cladding and manufacturing. Master Systems offers a wide range of services and products, including panelling and cladding systems, building products, and more. Longevity and a top reputation bring plenty of referrals from old and new builders and clients. The centrally located warehouse offers plenty of space, high ceilings, an office, parking, and amenities. Ready to retire, the owner has downsized the business, but the demand for products continues to grow. Now it's time for someone with youth and drive to return the business to its former state.